Hey Year 7s, and welcome to our, wrong slide, poor preparation. Welcome to our next video tutorial. Here we're looking at exercise 1F, which is following on from obviously 1E. We do these alphabetically. Multiplying larger numbers. So we did multiplication in our last little video. So here we're still looking at multiplication, but look at multiplying large numbers. So few little housekeeping things. There are many situations that require the multiplication of large numbers. For example, the total revenue for selling 40,000 tickets at $23 each, or the area of a rectangular park with the length and width dimensions 65 by 122 metres. So we need to use a suitable algorithm process to be able to solve these problems that involve much larger numbers. Okay. So, some key ideas. So we're multiplying by 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000. Each digit moves to the left by the number of zeros. Alright, so basically all you do is you look at the number. If you're multiplying by a nice round number, the multiple of 10, so 10 or 100 or 1,000 or 10,000, is that you look at how many zeros you've got and you put those zeros at the end of the number that's being multiplied. So 45 times 1,000, for example, is 45. These three zeros get tacked on the end, we now have 45,000. So that easy. A strategy for multiplying by multiples of 10 or 100, so for example 21 by 3,000, is to first multiply by the number without the zeros. So you take the zeros away, alright, and then we add the zeros to the answer later on. So for example 21 by 3,000, we just get rid of the zeros, so it's 21 by 3, okay, which gives us 63. And then we tack those three zeros back on, like here, 63,000. Okay, so again, nice, easy way. So it looks like it's a fairly difficult problem, but it's not that difficult to solve. The algorithm for multiplying large numbers involves dividing the problem into smaller products and then adding the totals. Alright, so for example, 143 multiplied by 14. You follow your process of multiplying from the left to the right. Okay, so we do, forget the 1 at the moment, we're going to multiply the 143 by 4, one number at a time, starting on the right and working to your left. So 4 times 3 is 2, alright, carry the 1 over here, so it's not 2, 4 times 3 is 12, so we write the 2 when we carry the 1, sorry about that. 4 times 4 is 16, and there's the 1 there, add the 1, takes us to 17, write the 7, carry the 1 again, 4 times 1 is 4, add the 1, which is 5. Now when you start your next column though, you need to start, because there we're multiplying by a single unit. Here remember we're multiplying by tens. That's not just 1 times 143, it's 10 times 143. So the first thing you need to do is write a 0 to begin. Alright, so write a 0 in there and follow the same process. Then it's 1 times 3 is 3, 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1. Then you add these two together. So 2 and 0 is 2, 4 and 3 is 10, carry the 1, 5 and 4 is 9, plus the 1 is 10, so we write the 0, carry the 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, and there's your answer. Okay, so let's have a look at these. So give the result for each of these products, multiplying large numbers. 37 times 100, so we do 37 times 1, which gives us 37, and then we put zeros at the end, 3,700. So you just add those zeros on, really simple. Here, part B, 45 times 70. Okay, don't get confused. Get rid of the 0. 45 times 7. Let's do that one because it's nice and easy. So 7 times 5 is 35. Write the 5, carry the 3. 4 times 7 is 28, plus the 3, which is 31, and then we add the 0 back on. How will I write this one? So we just write our final answer, add that 0 back on at the end. 3,150, alright, is what 45 times 70 equals. And our last one, 614 by 14. We have to use our algorithm for that one, so 614 multiplied by 14. So we're going to set it up this way. 4 times 4 is 16, carry the 1, if we can write it. 4 times 1 is 1 plus 1, so 4 times 1 is 1. 4 times 1 is 4 plus 1 is 5. and 4 times 6 is 24. Now I've got to multiply by here, so I've got to start with a 0 first. 1 times 4 is 4, 1 times 1 is 1, 1 times 6 is 6. Sorry, sometimes I do speak a little bit too quick. And then we add these two numbers together. 6 and 0 is 6, 5 and 4 is 9, 4 and 1 is 5, 6 and 2 is 8. 8, 5, 9, 6 is our final answer for that one. And I know that is correct. Alright, so there's our three strategies that we just looked at here. Drop the zeros, put the zeros back on, get rid of the all the zeros there, add them back on at the end, which is this problem. And then our final one is actually using the algorithm, the multiplying using the multiplication algorithm. Okay, right, to get vertically in columns, make sure you put the 0 in, and that's it. Alright, very simple, nice short video, 6 minutes, just hit 6 minutes. So I'm going to get out of here right now. Hopefully that makes sense. Come and talk to me if you are unsure about anything or confused. Again, keep practicing your times tables, please. 5 minutes, at least 3 or 4 times a week, please. Alright, thanks guys, shall see you in class. Bye bye.